Hey, howdy ho. I'm back again, and today we're doing muffins. Just simple muffins. And to start, we're gonna get our wet ingredients. So we're gonna get a half cup of milk, pour that right on in there. Oh, yeah. I haven't had dairy in such a long time. This ain't gonna go well. And then we're gonna move on to our oil. I don't think it has to be olive oil, but that's just what I have on hand. And we're gonna use about a fourth cup. We're just gonna watch as our milk kind of curdles up there. It's not very pleasing, but it's what we have to do. And once we get that in, we're gonna move on to our egg. Just one egg, just one simple egg. That's all it is. Very good. And with all that together, let's whisk it on up. And just really beat them together. Make it to where you don't see no lumps left. Make it a smooth consistency. At the end, it's basically just gonna look like thicker yellow milk. But that's okay. Very good. Very good. I don't know what to do with the whisk. I'm just gonna set it down here. Now we're gonna take our bowl that's way too small and mix in all of our dry ingredients. That being about half cup of sugar, a cup and a half of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and about half teaspoon of salt. Now we're gonna attempt to mix. Yeah, I didn't really think this through. I don't have any big metal bowls. Bit of an oopsie on my part, but hey, if it gets the job done, it gets the job done. Oops. And just make sure it's all incorporated. That should be good. Now we introduce the wet ingredients, and we really just get to mixing. And you see, this would be a lot easier in a big bowl, but we make do. We make do. And this batter, I did not know it, but it really thickens up. So you're really gonna have to go to town on it. That's why a bigger bowl would be preferred. But we'll make this work. You just gotta really get it all in there, scrape down the sides. And usually this recipe apparently calls for vanilla extract, and I don't seem to have any. So we're just gonna make do without and hope it tastes good still. I believe. I think this just goes to show that you can still fit in these little snacks without having to make everything super low calorie. Because I can still fit this in to a 2,000 calorie a day diet, you know? You don't have to go overboard with the diet. You can still enjoy the little things. Just about as much as I'm enjoying whisking up this bowl of batter. But we get it done. Very good. Almost. There we are. Now that it looks like pancake batter, I think we're ready. Gotta get every last bit. Now we just oil up our pan, and I realized here that I don't have a cupcake pan, so I'm making Bundt cakes. So I'm gonna have Bundt muffins. That's fine. That's fine. And what I should have done here is taken something like the whisk or something and whisked it in, but no, I just attempted to dump the thick ass batter in, and yeah, that didn't go over so well. Not my best. Not my best work. You just kind of shape it in there. It'll turn out fine. Very nice. Now that we've got our mold filled, just pop that right in the oven. And we preheat it to about 400, and I set it in there for around 16 minutes or so. And I came back to them looking at this. I was expecting Bundt cakes, and I actually got muffins out of them. So it was a welcome surprise. But see, the bottom side is Bundt, and the top is muffin. So I actually did get some Bundt muffins, which creates a nice texture. It's crispy on the bottom, but nice and moist and soft on top, except for the bottom is crumbling. But I swear the other muffins stayed intact just fine. I swear. But you know, even without the vanilla, these taste pretty good. Oh yeah, put a little raspberry jam on it. Put whatever you guys want on there. I mean, really, just try to keep it simple and low. This doesn't add too much, but it adds a decent bit of flavor. Just tastes good. There we are. Alright, you've done enough. And at this point, I found out I do have vanilla extract. At least they still taste good. Goodbye.